And then, or should them say about ease off for the rice, 2 minutes starch.
Some ease off for the rice?
Yes, 2 minutes starch. Them say.
China, me, you know. We love rice.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Them say for calm down with the rice.
Rice.
Yes.
I love dumpling too, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. When Kino ball,
Granny love him, I say.
Granny love him, I say.
I saw me whole lady.
And some whole lady.
I saw me whole papi.
And some whole puppy.
I saw me grandchildren.
And some grandchildren.
Them sing smooth, I say.
They sing smooth, I say.
Them eat happy, I say.
They eat happy, I say.
It was a lovely day.
It was a lovely day.
It was a lovely day.
Oh, lovely day.
When Kino war.
When Kino ball.
When Kino war.
When Kino ball.
Oh, when he war.
Oh, when he walk.
Oh, when he war.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Guys, well, so welcome back to another vlog. You know, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. So I'm back here again. You know, a budget to get because we're short of one 6-foot zinc. So I'm here to get another zinc, you know, one more 6-foot zinc, you know, to kind of seal off the whole roofing of our chef, bathroom and toilet. So I'm here at budget again as usual, you know, to get a zinc well sealed off. Raquel is here. Let me see if Raquel is here. Raquel there, my friend? Raquel, she there? Or there? Who can? Friend, Margaret. That's 1 6-foot zinc. Where you get this?
I may buy last night or you want some of them?
You have none to sell now?
I have it coming up. I can't pay tomorrow.
Welcome, General. So 1 6-foot zinc now again. 1 6-foot zinc now again.
6-foot zinc?
Yeah.
How much are them? Just one sheet?
Family come by already and it's shorter one now. Yeah, I'm like them still.
Yeah, my cat. A 600 I think it's a compliment. Didn't know it. 20
Good honey. Alright then. Oh, go on. All is well. Is the building so ready? Are they taking long though? I don't have all the materials. What's going on? You guys have all the material and still taking so long. I'm gonna beat you. Boy. Somebody I will get licks tonight. Now you say you're not gonna get no beating guy no know. You get licks. Like the beating stick you get, boy. Wrong choice. It's a wrong choice. Thanks, huh? Ripper, drop the back now.
Or then put so much of the 8%.
On top of it.
7% on top of it. Yeah.
Aye.
Oh, look at it.
See here there, the Pro Box. Can't go inside though. Ripper, so you dropped the seat already, mate. Watch your water.
Where's it? So I'm trying to see them look a bit forward. Not you, that's
That's the goal, brother. Let me tell you. Job, see.
That is it. Come on, I get it. Yeah, so we got the zinc now. So we're gonna head back into Trenchtown. So today we're gonna block up our chef front part of his kitchen. You know, we're gonna do some major work with the front part of his kitchen today. But today is quiet. Today not busy still. Respect. Yeah, so today's not even busy. I'm not even lying. The place is so quiet. Like everybody come spend all the money. Left back with nothing.
Morning.
What's the camera? I go for 12. Yeah.
You're good, darling. Thank you.
Well, no, the price dropped. So you probably get for about 400. Or something. Yeah? Yeah. So we're back here in Trenchtown. We're here in Trenchtown where the Baller Road is gonna be. You have this seat?
Yeah, man, I see that someone. I don't know. Yeah, go on.
Are you playing music all?
No,
Oh.
just come like over.
Next door.
Yeah, go on.
Running on that.
Run some black. I want to do that.
Hello. You make the parts on us over there, sir.
Over there, next door.
This up. My boy live this, you know. Actually. So I'm black people over the part there.
Black yourself.
Yeah.
Here go on. I want to put in your partition, but I have to move it both to the partition.
Yeah. Them boy there. Yeah, man.
So, much black we have?
We have black in here and black around here.
Alright, we want the black and run us up and some mortar. Throw us up. And lay them black so I bust some whole, cut the steel, steel. And bust the steel.
Still out there,
I want to cut this. Black cut this.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, so which board you say you want to move?
And the partition is some other
This.
Oh,
Yeah, black up so this is this. I move that one and left that one.
okay.
After I lift cut that one and put up to this, can lift cut that one.
Okay.
Like doorway, as I said, doorway, kitchen counter, the counter for the stove, the counter for your sink are there, sir.
Yeah.
The stove are there, sir.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Come take down them now.
So they're garments, sir.
Right, boy.
So, make jelly them shoe on the rest of black them, I push them to the window, connect black them on, sir. Half the back and everything. So you have to remove them things, boy.
Yeah, but I'm walking now, man.
Then you can hear for work on the side.
Yeah.
See me? When my boy come in, can go and fill in the part one, sir.
Richie.
Yeah, can go and fill up them there. You know why I do that, sir? Boy, I'm a wholesale, I have so much clothes. I got a wholesale. Help come like you have a wholesale. Hold it back, bro.
Tell you what.
I have clothes to have on. Clothes all over.
Over.
Alright. Get the tape. Move some hole and look in there. Do that. The sewer. That's how we have to the sewer through.
We got, yeah, dig it out.
I dig and it's some movement because breaking up.
Okay.
Break them farmers, you know.
Yeah.
Let's chop out this and us. Things that I was running through. And join back to that.
Oh. So,
Because he line this and he line this up.
we are running underneath the floor
Yeah, man. That bust the concrete so and pass through, man.
and pass through.
Yeah, man. Easier.
Catch me, I say I can't get a look.
No, man. No, man. Are you, she line right this up.
Yeah.
I line right this up. I line at Gardas. I line at. I still line at this up.
Yeah, man, that's the line, man.
Good, man. I easiest way that.
She line right there, so.
Oh, them have a clean or dirty?
Oh, yeah. Come on. Come boy, man. You need to get something
Active.
organized. Active. That's somebody. At least I can't do that. I get this. Yeah. Yo. Okay, down my brother.
Your shoes down.
Half one is.
Yeah, man, they not start yet. I just make you know.
Let them stay in the yard.
That's when we're ready. You see my brother?
Let them stay in the yard, Fifi. Yes guys, so this is it. This is it. So you know, today we're gonna, as a natural was saying, this is where we're gonna black out. It's gonna black out here as well too. You know, and black out everything. So we're just taking in the black stem that we're gonna need and everything. See that Miller. Now try to carry it up on the sun.
Reverse half it.
Yeah. See the younger trees one, yeah. Younger generation. Younger generation. You see the time.
Yeah, slip.
Younger. Like him a come off our next work.
Sleep in everything. Working everything.
Well, the younger generation is here.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Mother Teresa.
I'm gonna show you a key, you know?
Yeah.
Get the key there, you understand me?
So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna put in the black then, put it out black out from inside. We show you how to go on inside. Huh?
What's good?
What on?
Blacks, you talk to blacks.
Wait, so this is enough, right?
Yeah, man, stand there, man, up a stand like you know.
Yeah. Right, just the whole like that.
Up a stand there, man.
Oh, yeah, we should have it. Video.
Yeah, I showed the video there. So yeah, cause
well, guys, as you can see, you know, the roofing as you see how far it reach, you know. I know you saw it the last time without the roofing, so now the roofing is going up, so they're gonna complete the rest and everything, you know. So yes, so as you can see, so that side is gonna be blacked out, you know, and cement off as well. So that side is gonna be hidden, you know. And then the thing that I went to go and get, you know, is for right here, because there we shot of zinc. That was the one shot of 6 foot that missing. So we got the zinc here. That's gonna go up there as well. This is the one that's gonna replace it. This one, you know, as you can see. This is the bathroom. The roofing is complete, you know. It's only that zinc need to go on the next side, and then it will be complete. So that gap now is gonna be blacked out, you know, because of all the houses, the fall have to come off the house top. So we're gonna black out that side and seal it off, you know. And as I can see, and as you see, Richie B, natural short you, go on road. Ah.
Look, 450.
Police? Cutting this? But what size?
cutting this. Sometimes I think cutting this. 450 feet.
If no anyone, the one size?
450 size.
Okay. Alright then. Alright, so we get a cutting this and come back. Oh god. We get a cutting this and come back, guys. As you can see, that is the roofing almost completed. Look at mine that cutting.
Where are the walk?
Eh?
I want your walk.
No, I drive go over there. I drive go over there. Oh man, the sun man. Pace on there, say. Yeah. Should the way them throw it. The gander it see me, say, I need to eat there. Wrong way. So if I do it, so yeah. And should be towards you know. Yeah, get the rhythm. That is it. I pull the shop over with my top side though.
Yeah, what left side is for?
Right side, a lollipop.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. Natural. Eat this. Barney Bob.
Yeah, my fear, man. Right. Classic guy, man, bust the boy. I'll bust it for black man shoes. Kick and fast.
You know what this?
That man gone on in everything.
Alright, come now. Come now, go now. Go on.
I'm give me a chance while you
Alright,
Come on.
now. Is that double wall the bonus, sir? Double night?
Yeah.
back on here. No, Ben sports that. Which part of the bus? So I'm from if we can pull this now.
When you say anytime ready though?
No, bun to the check him already.
When you say call?
First over there, no one.
Blacks.
Say about push out that one, so.
Yeah, he might put
So Mr. Black, I take the car and come down to that one. And stop. Let me tape them. I tape this. Phone card 24. 24, yes. Oh, yeah. So 52. 11. 36 door now. 36 door. See that, sir? The pipe will come through that, sir. Surge pipe will come here, sir. Now this come down, sir. So I dig out this, come down, sir. Chop it out and go back and join that down there, sir.
Yeah.
So this have to move. This have to move to you now. Come on, this have to move, man. This all the weight, man. That's all the weight down there, sir. This can't pop down here, brother. How much I see you can't pop down this, sir. We can't pop down this, sir. Lick it out. You can't pop down this, sir. A bullet hold them here now.
Bullet.
A bullet, them will have bullet. Not cheap before parents born.
I want them jumping on the car, you know. One time, you know. Knock out the car, time and get me.
Natural, one of them posts there now.
Yeah, man, see them there, two there, you know.
Put them there, one of them.
Them posts are firm, you know.
Fence post, one of them.
Heavy.
Look for you want to drop them there already.
So yeah, go on now. Mark the hole there, sir. The car there, so the post 5 inches. That's 5 inches from there, sir. Mark 5 inches. Yeah, the car will start from this, sir. No, the next block will start from this, sir. Next block will come on this, sir. Yeah, come on the line. That block is a block up, you know. Yeah, move it, man. This is the front of the block. The next side is over this, sir. Just put it. Alright, so go over with the block. So for the shoulder, I'll come and so. So when it comes to the next one, it's not. So you have to take 5 inches from this, sir. So right there, sir. Mark 5 inches.
Well, I come and sit up
The younger generation tradesmen and the experienced tradesmen.
16, take 16 again. See, yes, sir? Yes, sir. Mark one, yes, sir. Mark one, yes, sir. And this is the next one. So you don't have exactly what it is. See it? Alright, good. Catch your one and see another one. Good. Come on, yeah.
Oh, you want the incident?
The one in high ground now. The one in high ground. It's a 4. Yeah, you can take it 4. Take it 4. Take it now, we'll go back to him.
Oh, him come out. Go. See if I'm not come out. I'm not come out?
Yeah, man.
Or him gone now?
God, away. See drill there. Give me a drill. Bit tonight, you know. Bala, left one I use that door here, man. Chop blood. Listen. Try again. Take time now. One again. Go and go next one. Take time again. How much still have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Measure how much in here. How high up in here? Go 5 and 6. So I'll take 5. Bana, when you bore, you have to bore and ease up and bore and ease up. You can't just go one time.
Oh, like in and out.
Man, work now. No man, what happened? The dirt lock up in nice spaces and have to come up. Have to dry it up and... Go on. One more, sir. Come on, sir. That one, sir.
What?
That's it. Come put your boat there, man. We can boat this too. Like base. You see not there now? You see different? Straight go, man. Alright now. I want my boy to clear because I want board the whole over in the center against the line of that. So the middle that the black can run.
Him say you good now, man, if you can do that, yeah.
Go tear down! Tear down!
Tear down.
Go ball.
Tear down! Let's start to get the work cut now. Where this is? Give me this one. I'm going to buy a pack of them I used to sleep.
You got to get them down there.
See that?
Follow them, that's what I'm doing.
I didn't sell it. I used to
I'm
sleep.
not going to buy it coming up.
I used to sleep.
I come take it. Road down.
4, 7, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 20. How much cement there?
Have 2 more inside. You have 2 more inside. 1 out there and 2 inside. I got 1 more?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fair and square. Fair and square. Alright, this piece here, we're going to use it to jam back this here, sir. Clean it up. I lay it up on this and lay it back, so. We can nail on them both up and just cut off.
Bottom big.
Big thick piece. Reach at the bottom piece. Lower part. No bottom around here.
I wonder if a big man check if everything in that house before we do it.
Good man.
Good man.
So you have a camera here.
No.
Our camera and a lie here.
No man, camera line man.
Camera and a lie.
Yeah, try.
Camera.
What do I really want in there?
That you want to know, but you want to know when people are talking.
Gotcha. Anyway.
Treating not take them give.
Natural, cut them down.
I cut them out, but I have to nail on them. I have to nail on back. Make team board them. Cut in line. I cut them. See? That's a line.
That is it, Barney. Bob. Zinc coming out. Joshua, watch your foot.
Hold it, my bro. Big plum. Give me a big plum.
Big level. Small. See there? Another one there. Oh, see there? See the natural?
What pencil?
Hold on.
Take a square now. From this one.
That's what?
We don't want tampering doorway now. So we want to put the block on the side over there. We want to start the block on the side, go back so. We don't want tampering doorway. See?
Yeah.
We don't want tampering doorway. So let's start the block.
Alright, see this coming a little bit too.
See it?
Yeah.
So we want this coming back here with the
Yeah,
answer.
with a block, yeah.
You understand? No square there, no square company. Let me square them. No square thing. Align it properly.
So guys, as you can see,
Hold on.
this is how the house them used to be back in the days, right?
Tape my alignment, measurement area.
You dey drop here, so you dey pick it up back. See there, Barney. So we have 8 houses on the block, right, Barney? Yeah. So we have 8 houses on the block. So this would have be another house here, and this would have be another.
The fourth one.
So the 4th one, right? So on this block you have 8 rooms. 8 rooms. So each room have a little veranda. So before it was all open space. You know, before it was all open space. These are what the 12 shillings houses back in the days. So each person does take something for themselves, just like we see workshop to get this room. So it's just a room. And here was just like a veranda where you can walk from here, go all the way down to each room. So over the years now, people just block off and take a space for themselves. So it wasn't no bathroom or no toilet. And you have the open yard. This yard used to be open, everything, you know. So it's just people just fence around, you know, take a space for themselves.
Alright. Here we go.
Can you know? Check out them. Not in there?
So one day, 2 1.
See them, man. I think so. Concrete right there. Yes guys, so as we were saying, right, each room, you know, have a little veranda, veranda for themselves. So you used to have one step where you can walk up, and once you up the step you walk all the way down to from the 1st room back to the 8th room. So this is the 4th room that the house chef is living in. And you have the 3rd room and the 2nd room and the 1st room that side. Going back to this side. You know.
This can use this other one.
So we got one more cement.
More than 2 years.
More than 2 black off your side. Right, so they make one coded black off. Coded living there.
Eh?
Bombard. And them man they living there. Me, and the cut man a country, I mean, all 97 and
Cement, come on, that cement can't leave that. Somebody wants cement and burn. Board the one and board the end one. Board the one and board the end one. This. I tie this, I tie the black.
And the cat, we have cat up here?
no, that's what they say, we don't have one and Genius.
I'm going to link him then, because everything we're going to buy cement from now.
Where you plug in part there?
See there, sir. Now should I get cement, more cement and come, I just in case we have 1 bag left. 2 gone out.
2 gone out?
Yeah.
Alright.
Guys, so we're going to get the trench stone removal vehicle. So this is the trench stone removal vehicle, which is the on-cart. So just like how you can rent a car, you can rent a cart. So we're here to rent this cart from Tompa. Tompa, I said firm?
No,
Which one the firm one? That one here? The Tompa, this is firm?
Yeah man.
Come in, Sleepy, come in, sleep. I'm rolling in the chat. Well, guys, I'm rolling on the truck. That is it. Woo. Roll, guys. Day's work. I'm rolling with the truck. Hey, I'm rolling with the truck. The truck. That is it. Well, rolling with the hardware truck. That is it. Easy, Sleepy, easy, Sleepy. All them play back. There's Mother Teresa and Angela pushing back the cart. Beep, beep, beep. That is it, that is it. That is it. Rolling. Whoa! Oh, up more. Go on. Go on. Yeah. Right up on your left hand side where you see the gravel them. Go on up. See ya, so. Right here and there. Quick and fast. We take out them quick and fast. Grab them and fill with it. Come, Tad. Come here. Quick and fast.
the bucket.
Yeah, cover there, so.
You cover it.
No, pass, give me the book.
Give. Watch it, nothing. Careful, look, that's a low that. Low, let's see. John was only John was. Only John. What is? Then what over the floor? Nothing more. Back over. Session. Not try. Can't show us. Room temperature? Small one. Can I have a small one? You have a small one? Yeah. Yeah. Buy two of them. Hold on, right? Let's take a block and something them. Yeah. Buy two.
If I give you 2 and you can't give 1 hand. Yeah. At the 2 hand we go on. Ah, that is it. That's the 1 and the 2 hand.
Yeah, man. Put them in a barrel. Yeah, barrel. 4 go in a barrel.
Jella there.
Come on, man, bucket them there. Lower the bar in the bar. Lower the bar in the bar. Yeah, make your bucket stay. Lower. Just go down there now and alone and pass it in the ground. Sure.
Straight through me until the pan is still thin on this.
Yes, guys, so yeah, cause as them reach, we start lift them off. See me will load them and see them lift them off quick and fast. Come on, son.
Alright, man. Come here, man.
There's an easy one, trying to be a sun virgin.
It's a talpia mix them thing a daily down sell Azan, you know. Mata man down Azan. Somebody call me on the eye. To my eye. Hey!
Yeah.
This.
And this, then I can't get. That I gonna leak out the material, I can't carry it.
Yes guys, so look at this. And they're moving fast. Jella, we're bringing some black eh? It's a natural, how the younger generation going? Good for the future?
Good young man for the future,
For the future.
Coming future.
Now we have Barn and Bob, the wings of steel. Long time.
Wings of steel.
Yeah man.
Yeah, concrete.
Wings of steel.
2 bucks of mat on the ground.
2 buckets of matter, wow. Send the back bus, wow. Okay. Guys, look how quick this went up. This went up fast. Quick and fast. This go up so fast. With a black inside this. Find the money.
Alright, natural, where though?
See there?
Some money I natural.
No man, I said that $2 up there, $5.
Nobody has search.
Guys, who remember $1? The original $1. Oh, she must save this so much. Years you must save this.
Yeah man, $1 dead and $2 dead on the two, you know.
You have to go. This is the $1. Natural, we share this again.
See that?
Oh, it's 1990s?
1990s. Yeah, from 1990.
1990. In Jamaica, you get $1.
Man, we already sprint this hour. 80. 80 this now? Yeah, 80 or 90.
80 is count to 90.
Where there, yes sir?
Yeah.
And 90.
The first 90.
Yeah. The first of January.
The first, 1990.
Yeah.
The Panama man.
1990.
Yeah, man. Nah, man. Good, man.
1990.
The outside one, the outside one, don't answer the stuff with the paper there, sir. I go all the way down, all the way down there, sir. Come on, go outside, man. Cement bag, man. Cement bag.
Concrete.
Oversold that.
Teamwork makes the dream works, guys, as you can see. Working quick. Jenna, that was quick. Time we go and come back. We have the experienced tradesman and the younger generation tradesman and the wings of steel born up in here. Anyway, it goes already.
Wings of steel.
Yeah, man. Everything is crackling, the engine is.
Yeah.
It's a chuckle, man, chuckle.
Yeah, man, the engine out crackle, man. Steam.
I want to see next hour, boy. Everything flying on wings of steel.
And we have the chain them out here, I go and run it. Wow, chef, the chain link them. And Jenna.
No, I'm more black.
And them stay right there, so.
Board views.
I want to know my boy, make them good black, yeah. And I say people some idiot.
You know, them with a special make. Naturally, let me tell you, say. Them talk about that for somebody. I tell you what, they want to send it off right now.
Yeah, sir.
Say the bad one them like say. Same price and everything in there. When you go to the back alone page, you can't.
So this will be Wow Chef kitchen. Now right in here will be his kitchen.
I can't want this, yeah.
Well, that's half a black one, I say.
Half of that?
Yeah, so.
Bring one back to the
See my Barney. All heap of them there. Yeah. Quick and fast. So guys, as you can see, the bathroom, the roofing already gone up, you know, so we're gonna use Salitex over here. We're gonna put on the next piece of zinc right there, you know. This will be the window, 2x2 window right here. So this is gonna be lick out as well to from up there. They're gonna lick it right out. This is gonna be the door to go inside as well too. So this is the shower already set and ready. The pipeline and everything is gonna run in next. You know, so you know it goes and everything. And this would be his room. Right in here, his bathroom and toilet, his room right here. You know, and he will have his kitchen right out here. You know, right out here.
Concrete. Concrete, that's the way you do it.
Concrete.
Cement back gonna come, cement back.
We'll tap up in on the good.
Alright, you know, so I sit down and hold it in upon us,
Then I remember say you see me come from
From last night, Dad.
No.
Yeah.
It's me come here, sir.
Look at spirit, color spirit.
Color spirit.
Color spirit.
Aye. And say, well, top charge. Battery, the man, battery up there. Hey.
But
me say that me ask the man, me ask if he's a madman living there.
Concrete. Tall P, man, Tall P out there, you know. You know, from Tall P is on the premix, but out there, so. You know, him say as an suspect, I'm ready for a week. And then fire Snoop as well too, as an I take them time I get rid of them man them. Yeah. As I take them time I get rid of the man them one by one. Snoop. Story. Fire Snoop.
I'm saying we Snoop down there now.
Yeah. But Snoop gets suspended.
I'm a fight for Snoop tomorrow.
So Story get fired and Snoop get suspended.
And time Snoop go back down there and say,
Them get a supervisor about him Harsey and his BC. The man say, alright, take a week.
Take a week off.
man say, Teddy drop down and come back next week and man say, you gonna get better yet, man.
Man should tell you put that door in a wheelbarrow.
I'm parked.
But they came to that wheelbarrow.
So they meet it. Yeah, just right.
Alright guys, as you can see, you know the work is moving very quick and fast. The guys them is putting in the work. You know, the guys them is putting in the work. So out here is the engine room. Engine room. So this is the engine room out here. Them they up. But them I go want more. Yeah. But I love how it work. I love how it work because them I get everything on time and the work I move how it's supposed to. So look up.
Sand and gravel that mix up here.
Sand and gravel mix up.
Eh?
Sand up on the end part there, so. And I reach far in there, you know.
Yeah,
Cause so what?
natural like that, but you are saying me there out there, the natural, so know that from the man.
Fast mount of
concrete and mortar.
Thing fast, I know we just so we not itch, you know. We are carrying concrete and mortar fast, so we know there's something itch, you know. We want to see it come through fast.
So you know, the way it work, out here so the engine work, in the set of trackle, you know, and a boil over.
Smooth.
The waistline.
How cool
and easy.
Yeah. You say? Smooth and cool.
Boy, I want water.
It was a happy day.
Oh, happy day.
It was a lovely day.
Lovely day.
It was a fine, fine day.
It was a fine, fine day.
It was a happy day.
Happy day.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
People love we are say.
And people love we are say.
All the elderly.
All the elderly.
I saw me whole lady.
I saw old lady.
I saw me grandpitney.
I saw grandpitney.
It was a happy day.
Oh, happy day.
It was a lovely day.
A lovely day.
When Dream Team walk.
When Dream Team walk.
Oh, when they walk.
Oh, when they walk.
When Dream Team walk.
When Dream Team walk.
Oh, when they walk.
Oh, when they walk.
They help the needy, I say.
They help the needy, I say.
Who cannot help themselves.
Who cannot help themselves.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino
The
walk.
granny love him, I say.
The granny love him, I say.
I saw me whole lady.
And some old lady.
I saw me whole papi.
And some old puppy.
I saw me grandchildren.
And some grandchildren.
Them sing smooth, I say.
They sing smooth, I say.
Them eat happy, I say.
They eat happy, I say.
It was a lovely day.
It was a lovely day.
It was a lovely day.
Oh, lovely day.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
Oh, when he 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 walk.
People that wave.
The people ran.
Oh, was a lovely day.
A lovely day.
Oh, happy day.
You better happy, we say.
Oh, happy
Day. Dream Team will say. Well. You know when Rasta Jack's in the engine room, you know what time it is. Steam.
What a happy day.
Steam. Steam. Well.
Why? Where's the black then?
Alright, blocks. Block. Here you go. Block. I watch the black train now. This is the black train. So the black train is going in right now, natural. This is the black train.
The Black Brothers train.
Yes. Black train is coming in. We say the train is coming in. Train is coming now.
Walk with black every day.
Happy day. Well, chef say, baby, I got born in this. Go chef say, baby, I got born in this. Hey, wow. Hey, hey, say another. Yes, I. Baby, I got born in this. Wow, chef. Wow, chef, this one is gonna be a laser surgery. Fine. Yeah, man. So right now the operation start right now, you know. I go on. This is the worship operation going on, you know. And then worship them say about ease off for the rice, 2 minutes starch.
So ease off for the rice?
Yes, 2 minutes starch. Them say.
China, me, you know. We love rice.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Them say for calm down with the rice. Yes.
I love dumpling too, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And the rum too. You have to leave the rum alone.
Brother, you tell me to ease off for the rum. The rum now do nothing. Look, you have all my cup right now. Yes. I tell you, yeah. Contact. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Come with it,
Which should be, you see, help kill the fertilization.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Can't kill man. The condom them I use, I kill it.
Oh, chef, show me back.
Yeah, man. Yo. Boy, it's small, but it effect, you know, more thirsty. Well, come like, look at what I quench my thirst.
See there.
Yeah, man.
Was it effective?
Yeah, man, that's a bleach, up is there, you know. Boy, I tell you, sang the bad. Yeah, man. You know?
A short piece of box in there.
Yeah, 9 million.
That one's a piece of, that is a piece of everything.
Oh. More bleach, I want to try
One lesser.
clean it up, you know.
The black are in a billion now. We use only for in a billion same, you know.
Give me back.
The wind they have blackout in the garden.
Yeah, man.
Well, guys, you know that's concludes for today. So thank you so much, guys, for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know that's concludes for today. You know we're gonna continue back on the journey when time naturally is up and running, or the younger generation tradesman can come give us back a time, because as you see when he was coming here this morning, he was coming off another work, so he's getting out as well to doing his stuff, you know, and we like that as well too. So guys, we thank you so much for watching, you know. I hope you continue, keep watching, you know. When you watch it, put the thumbs up, you know. And remember, we're a family, you know, we're one team, dream team. So guys, so stay tuned for the next episode. Blessed love.
Watch I know, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.